Ay! So, naglakad lang. Hi!
Hello everyone, welcome to Angie Vlog.
So, hi everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Vegan Calle Crisologo. And we're about to eat our lunch. This is our second day here in Vegan. And naghahanap tayo ng Basi, which is the very native wine here in Vegan Ilocos Sur. Tapos magte-take tayo ng very special bagnet and longganisang Iloco mamaya sa Cafe Leon. So, habang actually naka-order na ako and nag-aantay lang ako ng time kasi lulutuin pa yun syempre. Iniwan ko na yung gamit ko doon sa restaurant. Tapos, naghahanap tayo ng Basi para iinumin natin habang kumakain ng lunch. I just wanted to share some facts. Before, centuries ago, ang Basi by sugarcane. Tapos, meron pang nabuong war or kaguluhan dito sa Vegan dahil dun sa alak na yon. Hi! So kakaikot natin, nakahanap tayo ng ganito lang kaliit. Ito na yung pinakamaliit. Ang halaga nito is 150 pesos. Kasi hindi sila nagbebenta ng shots lang. So it's either yung malaki or ganito lang na size. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Leona para mag-take ng ating brunch. Pinagsamang lunch and pinagsamang breakfast and lunch. So, hinainan tayo ng pakbet Ilocos. Ay! Tapos, bangus, longganisang Iloco and bagnet. Meron tayong Basi. So, let's take a shot. Hindi siya, masarap siya kasi hindi siya masyadong matapang. At the same time, yung sugar is matitikman mo sa huling taste mo. So, let's eat.
After natin mag-Ilocos, pumunta naman tayo sa La Union. Kahit sandali lang, bisita tayo doon.
Hi everyone! So kakarating lang natin sa province of La Union here in Agoo. Umalis tayo ng Ilocos Sur around exactly 2 p.m. and nakarating tayo dito ng 6:40. And nasa tapat tayo ngayon ng Agoo Church. Hi people! This is our first day here in La Union. And we're very happy. Kasama natin itong Labrador na to and other dogs. Hello! Yes. Ang init dito, grabe. It's around 41 degrees. Yan. Pero super payapa. By the way, nandito tayo sa Agoo, La Union. And we're about to go to Summer in the Beach. This is my third time to visit Agoo, La Union. So, kada dating ko dito, hindi pwedeng pupunta ako sa dagat. Ang init. Super hot. We are in the West Philippine Sea area. Yan, yung buong dagat na yan is from the West Philippines. Philippine Sea, ha? Philippine Sea. Super payapa. Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog of Ilocos Sur and La Union travel. So, napakarami kong gustong i-share na experience and I just wanted to give thanks to the Lord for keeping me safe, for making me happy, and for allowing me to experience a lot of things sa province ng Ilocos Sur, specifically in Vigan City and to the province of La Union. I'm looking forward for more. No? Kasi you will learn something from it and also helps me to remember a lot of memories sa mga na-experience ko sa mga provinces. Wala akong masabi. I enjoy the province of Ilocos Sur and thank you so much kay Marius Nino Rabang for helping me to roam around and to experience a lot of things sa Vigan. Thank you for accommodating me, for being with me for the whole time, and for making me happy. Thank you so much. And to your family and to the friends, especially sa mga taga St. Paul na mga nakasama ko. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And I wanted to see you sooner. And also, to Buwado family sa province ng La Union. Thank you so much for accommodating me kay Tita Tess and kay Tito Rani na nasa Saudi. And also kay Ate Kim, kay Ate Mitch, and kay Kuya Ryan. Salamat po sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin dyan. Babalik ako lagi. Tuwing dadaan ako ng La Union, parang gawi ko ng daanan ko. Kasi you're already part of my heart. Na parang nagigilty ako kapag hindi ko man lang kayo nabisita kasi nandun na ako eh. Anyway, thank you po for allowing me to visit those provinces and super happy ako. Vegan is common when it comes to travel. Kasi ang pinaka point of travel sa North is Pagudpud. So ngayon lagi siya nadadaanan. A lot of Filipino and foreign travelers is napupunta na sa Vigan. And ano na ako? So, nangarap ako makarating doon and I'm very thankful kasi Marius helped me to visit their province. So, naka-experience ako doon na first time ko talaga maka-encounter ng lion and nahawakan ko yung grabe yung ulo niya. Nanginginig talaga ako. As in, kasi alam mo yun, alam kong maamo, pero hindi nawawala sa isip ko na lion pa rin yun. Anytime na biglang may umataking something sa kanya, lalapain na ako. So, I'm very happy. Especially face-to-face encounter with the ostrich, si Rowena, yan. Tapos si Lion King, si King, the lion. And unfortunately, wala na yung guide nung sa tiger, kaya hindi ko na siya naka face-to-face attraction. Oh, face-to-face attraction. And yung empanada ng vegan, kay Lola Pinangs, thank you so much po. And they really love the empanada. Super sulit, as in meat, tas puro papaya. Grabe, ang sarap. And thankful ako, and it is an honor na nakamit and greet ko yung isa sa mga may national award na folk artist, si Manong Fidel Go. Isa siya sa mga potter na pinakamatanda and artist sa larangan ng pot making. Eto, I don't know if I'm right sa mga terms ha. Vegan Philippines Ruby Jar Factory. Ito yung remembrance ko doon. It's very cute. May iba't iba silang pot, may maliliit, may mga higante talaga na I'm encouraging all of the Filipino and the foreigners na let's support the local product that we have. Kasi it will help our economy to grow, no? Kahit sa simpleng bagay. Kahit isa. Kasi kung ang 100 bibili ng isa, 100 na rin yun. 100 tao sa isang bagay. No? And also, I'm very thankful kasi napakahirap hanapin ito. Ang Basi wine. Yan. Ito yung sinashare ko na nung 19th century may nabuo pang kaguluhan sa Ilocos Sur dahil sa labanan ng Basi. It's a type of revolution kasi may paghihigante pa rin ang mga Pilipino sa Spanish that time. So naging dahilan to ng away, ng kaguluhan. Basi Revolution kung tawagin. Yan. Ganun pa rin naman yung amoy niya. Hindi siya nagbago. Yung sugar cane malalasahan mo, it's very good Bukod sa healthy tong alak na to, sarap siya. Basi wine. And to the people, mga Ilocano, very kind, kakatuwa. A lot of experience. Parang gustong-gusto ko balikan lagi ang vegan. Hay. Pag namimiss ko yung vegan, pinapanood ko lang yung vlog ko That's the purpose. And also, ang La Union, as usual, hindi pa more on dagat kasi pinupuntahan ko doon. That it give me peace of mind. Naka-visit na rin naman ako sa dagat ng Ilocos Sur. Pero hindi yun yung highlight Ang highlight dun is the culture and the arts of Ilocos Sur. Kasi first time ko pumunta doon. And I'm looking forward to visit the northern part, which is the Ilocos Norte. Hoping na after this vlog, sooner or later, may i-vlog ko na rin si Ilocos Norte.
So, thank you guys. It is an honor na nasusuportahan nyo ko. Just watching the videos that I have in my vlog. And it's part of my love language to give some price back to my viewers. So, syempre, as usual, may question and answer tayo na may GCash. So, please, read carefully the instructions for you to achieve or to claim those rewards that I have promised. Thank you so much, guys. Keep watching my upcoming vlogs. And don't forget to promote and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, it's me, Angelo. And this is my vlog. Angie Vlogs! Thank you.
Hi.